Hi guys, how are you doing today? My name is Stella Simon and I'm a registered clinical nutritionist based in Kenya. I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. In case you've not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the healthy plate and what eating healthy is all about. Anytime that you're consuming any meal, try to ensure that half of that plate is vegetables. And when we talk about vegetables, we have so many vegetables. We have the amaranth, we have the kales, we have the spinach, we have the terere, we have the cabbage. And when you're choosing the cooking method for these vegetables, always try to use as little oil as possible. If you can actually steam your vegetables, it's the best because we are trying to achieve a low fat diet. And the remaining half of our plate, we are going to divide it into two. A quarter of it will be covered by carbohydrates. And carbohydrates, these are the foods that give us energy. They are the starches. And here we have the ugali, we have the chapati, we have rice, we have the pasta, we have arrowroots, we have potatoes, we have the cassava. And whenever you are choosing the starches, always choose the whole grain cereals at the supermarket. And I'll give you an example. For example, we have the corn flour or the maize flour. At the supermarket, we have the sifted one. And we also have from the cereal stores, you can get the whole meal corn flour, and that is the best for you because it will give you the energy and it is also high in fiber. And the remaining quarter of our plate is going to be covered by the proteins. And when we talk about the proteins, these are the foods that build our body, and they are categorized into two. We have the animal protein. For example, we have the milk, and we also have the meats. Here we have the beef, we have pork, we have mutton. And whenever you're choosing the meats, please choose the lean meat or ask the store attendant to trim off the excess fat. And apart from the animal protein, we have the legumes. And when we are talking about the legumes, here we have the lentils, we have the cowpeas, we have the beans, and we have the green grams. These are also protein sources, only that these we get from the plants. And I would like to encourage you, whenever you are cooking the plant sources, it's advisable to mix them with the animal protein. For example, maybe I have beans and I have meat. The meat contains a type of iron which we call the heme iron, and the heme iron is easily absorbed by the body because it is highly bioavailable to the body. But the beans, they contain the non-heme iron. The non-heme iron is the bioavailability to the body is low. Bioavailability is the percentage that is actually available for use in the body. So this means that if I mix the beans and the beef, I am increasing the bioavailability of the iron in the beans. And 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 another thing that I would like to share with you is the fruits. The fruits are very good for our health because the fruits contain minerals and vitamins. And I would like to share with you a take-home technique today, which we call 5-a-day technique. What the 5-a-day technique entails is it encourages us to consume 5 portions of fruits and vegetables every single day. What that means is that I can consume 3 different fruits and 2 different vegetables in one day. When I do that, I will have achieved the 5-a-day technique, and this will ensure that I am working towards achieving or attaining the healthy diet. And apart from the fruits, we have another important component, which is water. Every single day, you should try to consume 2 or to drink 2 liters of safe drinking water. When we talk about safe drinking water, what this means is that it could be the bottled water that you get from the supermarket, or it could be boiled water, or it could be home treated water. And if you're from Kenya, you can use WaterGuard. And WaterGuard is available in most stores, and it goes for less than 50 shillings, 50 bob. And with 50 bob, you will ensure that the water you and your family members are taking is safe, because we don't want to consume water but we later fall sick because we took water that was not clean. Then the last bit after you've checked your diet is exercise. Always try to exercise every single day. And you don't have to start with the vigorous exercise for a beginner. I would encourage you to start with the simple exercises. For example, you could try dancing at home or just rope skipping. And when if maybe it's dancing, I could begin with 10 minutes today. Then tomorrow I'll be adding maybe 10 extra minutes, and that is how I will be able to move until I achieve maybe 30 or 1 hour. And for exercise, it requires a lot of discipline. So this means that you have to be disciplined. Don't get home and say, oh, today I'm so tired, I'm not going to work out. Working out should be an everyday thing. Working out should actually be part of our lifestyle if we really want to keep fit. And so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I will be uploading nutrition videos. Feel free to comment, to like, and to share the video. Goodbye for now.